Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's video is going to be so special for you because in this video I will tell you the rapid solution of your biggest problem, and that problem is how to learn to speak English. Well, this problem is with all of us. We all want to learn to speak English, and we don't know how we can improve our English because we don't know anything at all about this language. Most of the people whom I meet, they say that how can I learn this language because I don't have any atmosphere to learn this, and people laugh at me if I even try to speak English in front of them. So there are a lot of problem. My friends also said to me that they are not getting good job because of their poor English, and they want to learn to speak English with any reason at all, but they are not getting any way to learn this to improve their English. So in this video I'm going to tell you about a few tips by following which in your life you can easily learn to speak this language. As I have learned, I will also share with you my experience, how did I improve my English, and also a lot of things I will tell you about English in this video. So what you have to do is to keep watching this video from beginning till the end without skipping even 1 second. So let's begin. At first, as I have experienced that first of all you must have to have two qualities to improve this language. Well, these two qualities if you do not have, you will never be able to learn this language. Believe me, if you have these both qualities, then within 3 or 4 months you must have learned this language. You must also be speaking this language so fluently. Well, what are those both qualities? Let me tell you. The very first quality is patience. You must have to have patience in you if you are also craving for learning this language. And the second thing is perseverance. Now you will ask me what is the meaning of perseverance. Perseverance means never to give up, never to quit. If you have started this, never to quit learning this. That also means patience. Patience means you have to keep working even when that you are thinking that I'm not getting any kind of result by, and I am working so hard on this but I'm not getting result, still you are working. That is called patience. So at first make sure that you have these both qualities. First is perseverance and the second is patience. Now if you don't have these both qualities, as I told you, that you will never be able to learn this live English. You will never be able to do anything at all you want to do in your life. Now if you have these both qualities, now let's move further. So now what you have to do is that at first you have to develop only 5 to 6 qualities in you. 5 to 6 things you will have to work upon. Now I will tell you about them. If I tell you about my experience as I was learning this language, so at first what I did was that I learnt grammar. I learnt a few rules of grammar because there are a few topics which you must have to learn for learning this language. Because what happens is the translation keeps going on in our mind when we speak this language. So translation keeps going on in our mind. Well, a lot of people say that we have not to learn grammar to learn this language. I'm not saying you that you have to learn the whole grammar. No, whole grammar is not necessary for learning this language. But a basic grammar you must know about. Basic grammar must you must know about, because you must know how to translate a sentence into English so as to speak that. Because before speaking you have to translate a sentence into English. As I am speaking here, I am also translating sentences in my mind. Well, this process happens so fast that we could not even think that did we translate this sentence, or this sentence came to our mind automatically. It does not come automatically. We have to translate this. So very first thing that you will have to learn grammar. A few topics that you have to learn, like tenses, simple sentences, modal verbs, and causative verbs. A few topics only you have to learn, I mean to say. Then if you have learnt grammar, after grammar what you have to do is that there are a lot of sentences which you cannot speak by learning grammar, because those sentences are difficult at all to translate word to word. They are not translated word to word, but you will have to cram those sentences. Like there are a lot of sentences in Hindi also that you must have to cram. You cannot translate them as by applying the rules of grammar. You cannot translate them. You must have to cram those sentences. So you have to cram sentences as well. So what you have to do is to cram a few sentences, like daily use sentences. You will have to cram on daily basis. Every day you will have to learn 10 to 20 sentences only, not less than this, neither less than this nor more than this. 10 to 20 sentences you have to learn every day. Now the third thing which you have to do is vocabulary. You have to enhance your vocabulary. Vocabulary means that you don't have to go through whole dictionary. No, there is nothing. Vocabulary means that you have to learn only 5 to 10 words on daily basis with consistency. You will have to learn 5 to 10 words every day with consistency. Make sure that consistency you must follow. Now the third thing is you have to try to speak those sentences that you have crammed. You have to try whenever you get an opportunity to speak those sentences. You have to speak. Make sure that you don't afraid of speaking in front of the people about being judged by them. Like if you think that people will laugh at me if I will try to speak English in front of them, let them laugh. At least they are laughing because of you. It is beneficial for them. Someone is getting advantage because of your English speaking. Nothing can be better than that, I think. So you are not afraid of that. And the fourth thing which you have to do is that you must write something. Writing should also be done by you if you also want to learn this language, as I did. I used to write something as I was learning the concepts of grammar, how to translate sentences, and the sentences which I was cramming, that I used to write them down. Like if I met my friend, so I used to write, I today I met my friend and I talked with him and he was saying me this, and he was doing this, he is preparing for this exam, I should also prepare for this. This is how I used to write. Even now I write in English something so as to improve this more, because I am still improving this language. And the fifth thing which you have to do is that you have to try to speak. Speaking is the necessary part. After all, for what are you doing all these things? Just to speak. And when you will not even dare to speak, how will you be able to learn this? Then you must have to speak. Now the next thing that you have to do is that make sure that you listen something in English every day, at least for half an hour. You have to listen something in English. Make sure that you must listen something on daily basis, at least for if you cannot listen something for half an hour, then you must have to listen something for 20 minutes at least. Less than 20 minutes you have not to listen, but you have to listen at least up to 20 minutes every day. In English you have to listen. What you have to listen? Now the question is, what I have to listen in English? You don't have to listen to any foreigner. Well, if you will listen any foreigner, you will not even be able to understand his or her words, like in which accent is he or she is speaking. You will not be able to understand that. What you have to listen is that there are a lot of English speeches free of cost available on the YouTube of Indian English speakers, right? You can listen them, or you can listen English news of India itself. So it will help you a lot to have a good command of yours on words. You will be able to listen words, you will be able to understand words. It will also help you enhance your vocabulary, right? It also enhances vocabulary, as I have experienced that I used to listen English news and English speeches also of the Indian English speakers. So it helped me a lot improve my English. And I was able to at first I was not even able to understand what are they saying. You have not to understand everything. You just have to focus upon listening. Your main focus must be on listening, right? Now after listening, what you have to do is that you have to, whatsoever you watch, I don't think so that I think you must use your mobile phone in a day for 4 to 5 hours average. It is average that average time of your using mobile phone must be 4 to 5 hours. You must use your mobile phone to watch something. Whatsoever you watch, try to watch that in English. If you cannot watch everything in English, then at least watch something for half an hour in English. Like if you watch any movie, try to watch that movie in English. If you are watching any news, try to watch that news in English itself. If you are watching any web series, try to watch that web series in English. If you cannot understand the words, the sentences which are spoken by them, then I will suggest you the best thing which you have to watch, as I also did this when I was learning this language. So I also did this thing. What I used to do was that I used to watch English cartoons. That helped me a lot, even when I was not interested to watch English cartoons, as I had to improve my English, as I had to learn this language. So I preferred to watch English cartoons for half an hour only, because the sentences and the words which are spoken in English cartoons, they are very simple. They are very simple to understand, and you will be able to listen them properly. And if you will watch an English news, so in that news English is spoken so fluently that is harder to understand. But in English cartoons, it is very easy to understand. So what you have to do is that to watch English cartoons Especially I would suggest you English cartoons. Otherwise, if you don't want to watch English cartoons, you can also watch the other things. But for half an hour, make sure that you must watch something in English. The points and the tips and tricks which I told you in this video, you have to follow these old tips for the next 1 month. You know, when you will have when it will have been 1 month to you, you will feel a lot of improvement in your English. Believe me, just do follow these all points and these all tips for the next 1 month only. You must feel a lot of improvement in your English speaking, believe me. And what you have to do is now to let me know how did you get this video. Write it down in the comment box below. And now if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon adjacent the subscribe button, and also share this video if any of your friends is also thinking to learn this language and he is not getting anything, so this video might be helpful for them as well. Thank you.